Hey guys, welcome back to This and That. I'm gonna start doing my a couple little upgrades to my shed. This is gonna be the first video of it. I'm gonna install these hangers. I've got tools and stuff all over here, and I got these. They're from Octolarian. It's really just called a garage system. And it seems pretty easy to install. And I figured I would start this little upgrade series with this. So these things are going to be about 16.5 inches from each screw, and my wall here is from the middle right at 24 inches. So I think 3 of these should go from here to here pretty nicely. So let's get some hardware. Directions say that these are end caps and these are pegs to hold things on. And it says nothing about running screws through the pegs. So I think we may do that. Let's move this stuff out here. I think this will be pretty short and sweet. I'm gonna leave these here and just so that's good. Hell of a catch. Alright, so I'm going to do this one here. Do I care if it's perfect? Nope. So we'll grab the second one. And it attaches. We'll need an anchor. I'm drilling into wood. It's pretty close. Yep, that third one's gonna go right there. So that's funny. You know what? I'm gonna put another screw right here, and I'm gonna do one more thing. Everyone's best friend. Zip ties. Now it actually came with two sizes of hooks, smaller ones and larger ones. I think most of what I have is going to need the larger hooks. So holds just like that. So let's get a few of these in. Put them on the other one. Got it. That's kind of cool. Post hole digger. This one probably sure. Postal digger. So I'm gonna move this one to here. So I can have my shovels next to each other. Pretty easy to move the hooks around too. Flat and around. So that got everything off the ground. And it comes with these little pegs that I can just pop in to hang stuff with. Hey, what else can I hang? Let's hang this. So yeah, that should be kind of cool. Got everything off the ground, hanging out, so now I can just grab and go. It's pretty sturdy. That was easy enough. That was step one. I've still got room here too. So yeah, that was a quick video one of putting hangers up in the shed. Next step, I'm gonna figure out a way to put up some pegboard and get some of these chargers up on a board and get stuff moved around. Anyway, yeah, this is part one of a multi-part video. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you soon.